What's up, guys? Hey mga palaboy, so our content for today is about the misconceptions about Saudi Arabia, because a lot of people asking me what is Saudi Arabia or how it feels here in Saudi Arabia. Am I happy here in Saudi Arabia? Before I will answer that, let's talk about first the misconceptions about Saudi Arabia. So the first one is the about Saudi Arabia safe. In my 5 years here in Saudi Arabia, I been to a lot of cities. I've been in Dammam, I've been in Al Kubar, I've been in Jizan. Jizan is a province where it's the boundary of Yemen. And I've been here in Riyadh, I've been in Jeddah for vacation. All we know is it's unsafe here in Saudi Arabia, but the reality is it's the most safest place for me, because you have, they have a lot of securities in malls, even parks, in highways, everywhere. You can see police, military, guards. You feel safe. The second one is about women. The women cannot work, or the women are not allowed to do activities. Yes, it's true before, but now women can now go to work. Now they can now drive. They can now go and watch football play. They can go to concerts, and now they're working. Now you can see them outside. You can see them as a cashier, and even I heard last week they even put a woman as an ambassador to US. He's the first woman to be an ambassador, and it's ambassador for US. So that was a great thing to have. And when it comes to clothing, what they call this the hijab. Hijab is the clothing for women, with this all body are covered and even the face, but not all women cover their face. There's also women who do not cover the face. It's like Filipinos, Americans, Europeans. Only the conservative people do that. They cover their face and you can see only their eyes. The third one is the temperature. When they said Saudi Arabia, it comes to our mind it's hot, but it's not hot. I mean, if it's summer, of course it's hot, but when it's winter, it's cold. Even some parts of Saudi Arabia have a hailstorm and even a snow in the desert. Yeah, and even it rains. It rains when weather is changing. Example is if like now it's winter and it's changed to summer. It rains before it's changed to summer. And also they have a lot of trees here and flowers. They have a festival of flowers in some part of, I think it's Yanbu, in the city of Yanbu or the province of Yanbu. They have a festival of flowers. If you can see outside the highways, they have a lot of trees. They have a lot of flowers on the aisle. Let's go. I'm making a video.
What video are you listening?
Huh?
I listen to you.
No, I cannot talk if someone's listening to me.
Sure?
Yeah. Because I'm composing on my mind.
I show some video on your account on
Yeah.
YouTube for Khaldia building.
Huh?
Khaldia building.
Haldia building? No, I don't have in Haldia building.
Khaldia here.
Yeah, this one.
أيوة building.
Yeah.
Okay. Why you don't have? You have.
I have.
Yeah, I see already.
That's good.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome.
So the fourth one is cars. When it comes to Saudi Arabia, we all know about camels. So all we know is they have only camels. Before, yeah, they ride in camels. Even in the a lot of books told us Arabs are riding camels from going to city or province to province. But now, it's like Dubai, Saudi Arabia also. Of course, here in Riyadh, the biggest city, Riyadh and Jeddah, you can see a lot of luxury cars, Ferrari, and also the motorcycles, the big bikes like Harley Davidson and it's only the five, right? This entertainment. So, and the sixth one is about the entertainment. When it comes to entertainment, before, yeah, you have malls. You can go shopping. You can go eat. Give a brand. Every brand are here. You can see it in the malls. When it comes to cuisine, you have it all here also. Arabic food, European, American, and even Asian food. There's a lot. Before, there's no cinemas. There's no loud music. There's no party, there's no concert. If you have a concert, you need to have a permit. But now, because of tourism, last year, yeah, they started opening cinemas in different cities. No, not different cities. I mean, here in Riyadh, the first cinemas are here in Riyadh. Then last month, they opened cinema in Jeddah. And they also have now the entertainment area. Example for that is the 7 Moons of Riyadh. If you want to know more about the 7 Moons of Riyadh, just check out my channel. It's 7 Moons of Riyadh, where is it? You can go inside, but you need to buy a ticket to go inside. Then there's a festival part where you can play games, and if you win, they give you prizes like teddy bears and stuffs. And there's a loud music. There's a concert dome where there's a schedule for Arabic music, and also there's scheduled for English music and even acoustic music. What else? And of course, last December, the E-Prix or the E-Formula race. It's the first and the biggest music festival here in Saudi Arabia, and it's here in Riyadh. I've been there. It's a historical event here in Riyadh, and it was a 3-day event, and international artists come to perform here in Riyadh, and some of them are David Guetta, One Republic, Black Eyed Peas, and some DJ also, international DJ like Sir Ashley. So it was fun, and now they are slowly opening for tourism, because a lot of tourist spot here and a lot of UNESCO heritage site here in Saudi Arabia. Just like what they call the Al-Ula. I think it's a province or city, I think. But it's I think that's a part of the NEOM. The NEOM is a futuristic mega city, They said its area is like double the area of New York City, they said. So I think it comes to my mind if it's a futuristic mega city, so it means it's a combination of Dubai like, New York like, and of course like a Maldives. So it's combined it all to become a new, because it's also part of the Red Sea. And that's it, guys. So I hope you learn and erase all the misconceptions about the Saudi Arabia. All your questions has been answered. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So like, subscribe, and hit the bell button and be part of my journey here in YouTube as a blogger. So thank you, bye, take care.